loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this moisture wash day routine. I am a few weeks post relaxer and I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment, and this is just my oil. It's a blend of oils and I added coconut oil, so I'm putting it in some hot water just so it can like melt down. Then I'm going to unravel my hair. I had been wearing my hair in like the mini braids that I usually do, and I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to be trying a new protective style in this video. The oil has melted all the way down, and what I'm going to do is I do spritz my hair with a bit of hydration juice or with a bit of water just to like have moisture or some wetness for the oil to stick onto, and then I'm going to apply the oil. I figured that was going to be too messy, so I just put the oil on my palms and then I rubbed it down all the way on the strands of my hair. So as you can see, I'm adding a little bit more oil to my ends. Guys, I really need to get like a big trim. I did try to talk to Tato about it, but she's not having it. But I really do need to have a big trim. I've got a lot of split ends and dry ends, and I just want to cut all of that off so I can have a fresh start. So I think I'm probably going to do that pretty soon because I am kind of tired of these ends. They don't look really good. Once I've done that section, I'm going to wrap it up in a twist, and then I am going to go through the rest of my head. I'm just moving around. I wanted to include this clip so you guys could see. That is just my hydration juice, and I'm literally just spritzing my hair. I love this continuous mist bottle because it doesn't wet your hair. It mists, so your hair doesn't catch a lot of moisture and it doesn't leave your hair dripping wet. So once I've spritzed it, then I am going to just pull that moisture down all the way to my ends, and then I'm going to go through with the oil blend. So why I twist my hair is because I want to keep the hair that has already been oiled out of the way, and that's the only reason that I do the twists. It just makes it easier for me to maneuver around my whole head. This is what my hair looks like once I've done all the sections. I'm going to apply the oil directly onto my scalp. The oil is warm, so it has a very nice feeling on the scalp, but there are benefits to doing hot oil treatments on your wash days, and I love the fact that it helps with breakage, but also it helps thicken hair, stimulates hair growth. I'm going to put on my shower cap and my foil caps, leave this on for about half an hour, and then I'm going to be ready to jump into the shower and get this wash day started. It's been about 35 minutes and I'm taking off the shower cap. Then I'm going to unravel the twist out so I can get a good wash on this hair. My hair was not really dirty. I just wanted to do a wash day just to kind of keep up with the routine. But I am changing strategies like I told you, and you're going to see what exactly I'm going to be doing differently this year. With lukewarm water, I'm going to go in and just give my hair a good rinse to get rid of as much of the oil as I possibly can. Not with hot water, because that would be defeating the purpose. You're going to strip all of that goodness of the oil out of your hair. always with lukewarm water. Then I'm going in with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Sulfate Free Shampoo. This is a moisturizing wash day, and so I'm using a sulfate free shampoo. This one is really good. Like, the lather on this shampoo is incredible, and it gives my hair such a slip that I can detangle. Like, I am thoroughly impressed with the shampoo. Like, I love it. I'm literally working that shampoo into my scalp, and then I'm going to rinse it out. I'm definitely going to be doing this again because I kind of want to give it a good wash. If you don't wash your hair thoroughly after you do a hot oil treatment, your hair is going to be greasy and weighed down, and that is exactly what I do not want. So I am going to rinse out my hair thoroughly. Then I'm just repeating the process. This is very sped up. You guys know I will speed up, but be gentle. Don't use your nails, use your fingertips. Oh, it just feels so good to have a clean scalp and hair. Look at how long my hair looks, but I can see towards the end of my hair, those ends are kind of thin, so that is one of the reasons why I would like to get a trim, just so my hair can grow a little bit thicker. But I'll explain that when I get it done, and yeah, I'll talk you through it. Nice and steamy in the shower. Please don't mind that all the windows are closed. I am using lukewarm water. I'm going to go in with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Hair Mask. This is a deep conditioning mask, and it's very good. I've used this before. Has a very good slip, and it is moisturizing. Love it. I will be using this a lot more often, especially on the days where I do protein treatments. I also love the fact that this is a 15-minute deep conditioning, so we are kind of stepping out of that over conditioning and over deep conditioning my hair, repairing the damage that was caused by the high growth fatigue, and this one is a very good one. I'm just going around like my head and making sure I apply that from root to tip. I think one of the mistakes I made was adopting other people's techniques. I used to apply my conditioners from tip to roots, but I've gone back to my way of doing it. This year, I'm not following trends. If I am going to be taking advice, I'm going to be making up my own because I know my hair best. Giving myself a little bit of a scalp massage before I put on my shower cap and my foil caps for deep conditioning. Literally going to be leaving this in for 15 minutes. I set my timer for 15 minutes, and after that I'm just going to pull the caps off, and my hair is nice and deep conditioned. Then we are going to rinse this bad boy out. I'm gently going to wring all the excess water out, and I'm just going to squeeze it out like that gently so I don't cause any damage to my hair. And there again, you can see those thin ends. I'm getting rid of those things. I promise you, I'm going to get rid of them. I'm going to t-shirt dry my hair as per usual, and then we're going to go ahead and get dressed. I leave my t-shirt on for about 10 to 15 minutes just so it can get rid of the excess moisture. After that, I'm just going to do a rough split on my hair, and then we're going to get into blow drying it. I have decided to start blow drying my hair on the cool setting full time now. It works really good, like it really does. It takes a little bit longer because my hair is so thick, definitely, but I would rather have it that way. Taking the Design Essentials Bamboo Silk leave-in conditioner. This is a thermal protectant and I absolutely love it. Spraying a liberal amount on my hair just to shield my hair, even though we're not going to be using like a lot of heat. Low setting is best. Also, if you are going to be using the low setting, please do focus on your roots. Make sure your roots are dry, because if you have wet roots, you are going to cause yourself fungal infections. So make sure your hair is completely dry, especially at the root. You don't want to be giving your scalp like diseases and things like that. Dry the roots of your hair. Make sure they are dry. I got a new hair dryer. It was sent to me by a brand. And listen, this thing is petite, but it is so powerful. This is a Russell Hobbs hair dryer. I'm not sure of the make and the model, but if you do want those details, let me know and I will try and find a link to it and put it in the description box or pin it to the comments. Just let me know if you would like to know more about this hair dryer or if you want to purchase it, and I will try to get the details for you. It is so good. Like, it really is so good. It is on the cool setting, but it is like a super powerful cool setting. And then when you move up with the heat settings, it kind of builds up from 1 to 3. But the cool setting does it for me. I mean, look at my hair. That is that side of my hair done. I'm just feeling out my roots, as you can see, and I felt some damp roots. That's why I split it, so I could get to the damp parts, because I do not want to get mold. I do not want to grow fungus in my hair. I just want good, healthy hair in 2023, okay? Once I'm drying all the sections of my hair, I'm going to moisturize and seal, and I'm using the ORS olive oil moisturizer, and in that little bottle is a sample of the Bella Armani hair oil, which is going to be the oil I'm using to seal. Apply the moisturizer throughout the length of my hair. I'm going to be making some splits just so I can get through all the sections of my hair and make sure that I am moisturizing very well. And then I'm applying a bit of that Bella Armani oil, like a few drops in my palms, and just sealing in the moisture and the goodness from the moisturizer. That is all I am doing. Next, we're going to zip through this, and the next step is going to be the protective style that I'm trying. So I do not know how to braid my hair down. What I'm doing is making these loose braids, because I can put them in one of the stocking caps and I can wear my wigs and it will lay flat. And the best part is I can keep it in for 4 weeks, and I can do washes at 2 weeks. So I'm going to try this and I will definitely tell you how it went. This is how the hair looks once I'm done. I'm not a professional braider, that's why my braids are going in all different directions, and please don't judge me for my parts. This is the first time I do this. My ends also, I didn't braid all the way to the ends because that was gonna take me even longer and I was already fed up. So I'm applying Jamaican black castor oil to my partings and the lines. Then I'm going to use a silk scarf just to lay them flat so they can go in one direction and lay flat. But that is my moisture wash day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one.